My reeds, we're going to do the differences with low and high pressure. I'm going to use my yellow slash orange reed first. I'm going to start by using really high pressure and then using really low pressure. You can definitely hear the tone sounds congested and it's a little harder to make a beautiful dark tone out of it, but when I use lower pressure, it's easier to vibrate on the reed. It's easier to use my vibrato, and it feels nicer. It feels more comfortable to use that low pressure. But moving on to my purple reed, I'm gonna try to use the same amount of pressure just to play with it a bit more, and then do the scale again, really. I didn't use as much pressure, but I definitely used a little more pressure than I'm used to. And you can kind of hear it, but the tone sounds a little bit nicer and it sounds a little bit more in control of what I can do. And then with the pressure I normally use, which I would say on a scale of 1 to 10 is probably about a 3 or a 2. I try to keep almost no pressure in my embouchure, but like little to no pressure. I still think it sounds fuller and it sounds better in my opinion, just the lower pressure. But going on to this last one, I'm going to try to use a little less of high pressure, so maybe a 5 instead of a, I don't know, I went up to an 8 with the first reed. So try to use a little bit just to more of a function with the high pressure instead of just going from the extreme. And then going from the low pressure. It was definitely warm, but you can kind of hear when you're using too little pressure, certain notes don't sound as clean as others. But with that high pressure, I think it was a little more acceptable to use because I didn't feel like I was sacrificing any sound to use it. But that's my evaluation, so see you guys later.